This is the instruction video for AnShape recorded on November 1st, 2021. So we're going to click up here using Adobe Animate. We're going to click up here on New File. We're going to go Full HD. Click Create. Okay. Over here, up here in the top right, I'm going to click this and fit in window so I could see all of my frame. And then on frame 1, I'm going to start with a shape, or 2 or 3. So I'm going to go with the just any shape will work, right? I can go rectangle, I can go oval, I can go polystar, whatever I want. So go oval. Set your fill and your stroke, and let's see, Command Z that, get a bigger stroke. Okay, so I've got my oval there, okay, and then I'm going to go out to, and I could add more if I wanted. I can add brush strokes, change the color, right? I could do whatever I want on this frame, okay? And I'm going to have it all change or tween or shape tween into something else that I put on frame 30. So I'm going to go to frame 30 now, click on frame 30, and I'm going to hit F7 so I can get a new blank keyframe at F7. Then I'm going to draw the next thing that I want to do. So that could be whatever, could be another shape. Okay, so maybe I'm going to the polystar tool and change it to a star, and maybe my star has 6 points, and let me change my fill and my stroke. Okay, and now I can draw my star. Alright, and again, I can put more brush work on if I want. Oh, I gotta get a new color. Alright. Add some more, whatever it is, right? Okay, anything. Now, in between frame 1 and frame 60, if I want to make it into a shape tween, I'm going to right click and go up and create shape tween. Okay. And then I can play that, take a look at that by doing Command Return on the keyboard and preview that. Okay, the problem with shape tweening though is that it happens fast. So I want to put a 1-second delay in so I can look and see what I have on frame 30. Okay, so I'm going to go to frame 60. I'm going to hit F6. Alright, so now that's it. I just put a 1-second delay in by doing that. Now when I do a command return, you can see it pauses for a second before it replays. Alright, so I'm going to click the X on that. Now I'm going to go to frame 90 at 3 seconds. And I'm working off this handout, by the way. So now I'm on step 6. Okay, so I'm going to click on frame 90, and now I'm going to use the type tool to add a short quote or saying. So, but wait, before I do that, I got to go to, I got to go to frame 90. And I got to click F7. I got to click F7. Okay, on frame 90. Alright, so now I'm going to go to the type tool, which is here, and I'm going to come out and I'm just going to click, and don't click and drag, just click, and I'm going to type some saying. And now I'm going to go to the free transform tool, the second tool below the selection tool, and that will allow me to get that diagonal selection or diagonal arrows so I can increase the size of my quote or saying. And then I'm going to Command B twice. Okay, so now it's a shape. I've just converted the text into a shape. So once it's a shape, I can right click in between and I can create a shape tween. Okay. And then I'm going to go out to frame 120 and hit F6 to put a 1 second delay in so I can actually read what I wrote. I'm going to Command return to play that. Okay. Now I'm going to go to frame 150. And I'm going to hit F7. And now I'm going to draw a scene, draw something that relates to a picture's worth 1,000 words. So here maybe I draw a frame. Spend a little time on this. I'm just going to do it real quick. All right, so here's my picture frame. Oh my God, this is terrible. Right, and maybe there's somebody, like a person here. So that picture of a person, you could say a lot about that person if you know that person, right? Or you could say a lot about the picture that that person is in. Anyways, whatever it is you're going to do from here, you spend a little time on this. This one should be the longest amount of artwork that you do in class on this assignment. Okay. And then I want to shape tween. Right click in between. Go up and create shape tween. Okay. And now I want to go out to frame 180. So I actually have to scroll over to frame 180. So now I'm at 6 seconds. And I'm going to go and hit let's see, F6 to pause this so I could see the picture. And I'm going to go to frame 210. And I'm going to hit, let's see, so now I'm going to hit F7 again. Okay, and now I'm going to put a dot. I'm going to put a dot somewhere, anywhere, just a dot. And I'm going to shape tween in between frame 180 and frame 210. All right. And then I'm going to go to frame 240 to finish this up. I'm going to hit F6 so it pauses there. And I'm done. So let me play it. So Command return. Boom. 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 Dot. Okay. And then I want to file, export animated GIF, and put that on your animation page like you have all the other assignments. Right, so we click save. Once it gets processed here, just let it go and do its thing for a few seconds here. And click save. Make sure this is called AnShape. Make sure you know where it's going. Click save and upload that to your Wix page. Good luck.